Hello and welcome to a Yoga for Gratitude practice. We'll begin in Sukhasana, sitting with our legs crossed. Soften your gaze or close your eyes and take a moment to listen inward, noticing how you feel in this moment. Can you soften your jaw, your cheeks, the space between your eyebrows? Allow your shoulders to relax and feel your sit bones grounding into the mat beneath you. Now, before we move into our flow, take a moment to think of 3 things that you're grateful for today. With your next inhalation, reach your arms high. Exhale, hands behind your head and lean into a side bend to one side. Lower the hand that's closer to the mat down. Lift your gaze, opening up through your upper arm. And exhale, rotate your upper elbow to the mat. Inhale, lift your elbow up. And exhale, rotate. Once more. Inhale up. Exhale, rotate. Inhale up. Extend your upper arm, side stretch. Inhale, rise, palms touch. And exhale, twist to the opposite side. Gently turn forward, hands stay down, and bring your other leg in front. Inhale to reach your arms high. Exhale, hands behind your head and side bend to the other side. Lower your hand down. Lift your gaze. And exhale, rotate down. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Once more. Inhale up and side stretch, extend your arm. Inhale to rise, palms touch. And exhale, twist the other way this time. Gently turn forward and make your way into tabletop for a cat-cows. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your gaze. And exhale, round the spine, gazing down. Keep going like that, or maybe add some circular movement with your body, moving intuitively. If you're drawing circles, reverse. and return to neutral. Walk your hands forward and let your chest sink down, melting heart pose. To release, shift onto your forearms, sphinx pose. And release all the way down. Place your hands close to your ribs. Inhale for cobra, gaze over your right shoulder. Exhale, release down. Inhale, cobra, gaze over your left shoulder. And exhale, release. Inhale, cobra or up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Walk out your legs if that feels good. Find stillness. Allow your left heel to sink heavy towards the mat and reach your right leg up into three-leg dog. Bend the knee, open your hip and roll out your right ankle. Reverse. Extend your right leg long, square your hips. Draw your right knee forward. And extend, three-leg dog. Again, knee forward and extend. Knee forward, hold it there and place your right knee underneath your hip like tabletop. Lift your left leg up, right arm back, hold, or option to come into tiger pose for a back bend, so right hand to left foot. Release, drop your left toes down again and lift up three-leg dog, right leg back. Step your right foot forward into a lunge and lift up halfway. Arms back, palms facing down, strong line. Inhale to rise, extend your legs, arms high, and exhale cactus, front knee bends. Again, inhale, extend, arms high, exhale crescent lunge, cactus arms. Inhale, rise, and exhale cactus, hold. Twist to the right. And stretch back, reverse lunge. Your right hand rests on your back leg. Your left arm reaches up and back. Now open to warrior two. Your right leg stays in front, gaze over your front hand. Flip your front palm up and lean forward, side angle. Both arms high, palms facing each other. Reverse triangle. Wrap your left arm around your lower back and stretch back. Keep that half bind and side angle, right elbow to your front knee. If you like, transition into triangle Trikonasana. Your right hand comes to your leg or to the mat, and wherever you are, keep your upper body turned to the side. Return to warrior 2. Crescent lunge, hands to heart, shine your heart open. Ground your hands and step back to plank for Vinyasa. Chaturanga, up dog, and downward facing dog. Other side. Reach your left leg up through like dog, bend the knee and roll out your left ankle. Reverse. Extend your legs, square out your hips. Hug your left knee in and extend through like dog. 2 more. Now hold your left knee forward. Place it underneath your hip. Lift your right leg up, left arm back. And again, option to find tiger pose. Release, right toes down and left leg back through like dog. Step your left foot forward and rise up halfway, arms back, palms down. Inhale to rise, both legs long, arms high. And exhale, crescent with cactus arms. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, extend. And exhale, bend. Hold. Twist to the left. And stretch back, reverse lunge. Turn to warrior 2. And flip your front palm up for side angle. Both arms lifted, strong core. Reverse triangle with the half bind. Wrap your right arm around your lower back. And then keep that half bind for side angle. Or option to extend your front leg for triangle. Warrior 2. Crescent lunge, hands to heart. Inhale to lift your gaze and exhale, ground your hands. Find plank pose and Vinyasa. Take a moment to breathe here in your down dog. And tabletop, lower your knees down but keep your toes tucked. For half camel, place your left hand to your left hip or left heel and lift your hips up. Right arm reaches up and back, finding your back bend. And to release, place your right hand down for tabletop, left arm high, option to release your toes. And thread the needle, left arm underneath your right, lower your left shoulder, left cheek down, and option to reach your right arm forward, or to bring your right hand around your lower back to your left hip. Return to tabletop. Tuck your toes, right hand to your right hip or right heel, and lift up half camel. Place your left hand down and thread your right arm through, coming into your variation or thread the needle. Return to tabletop. Move your back, maybe some cat-cows, maybe some circles. And make your way into a comfortable seated position. Take a twist to the left. And to the right. Back to center. Place your hands onto your heart and join me for today's affirmation. I am grateful for all that I am, all that I have, and all the blessings that surround me. I am grateful for all that I am, all that I have, and all the blessings that surround me. I am grateful for all that I am, all that I have, and all the blessings that surround me. Then unite your palms and bow down, thanking yourself for taking time for your practice, for showing up on your mat today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you a wonderful day.